Tired of juggling multiple platforms to talk to your website visitors? Let's fix that by connecting Wati to your WordPress website for ultimate customer convenience in just a few simple steps. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand side of the screen, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Wati. Find the official Wati plugin in the search results. Once you've located the Wati plugin, click the Install Now button. After the installation is complete, the button will change. Now click Activate to activate the plugin. Now, on the left menu, find the Wati plugin and press it. You will be directed to the plugin settings page. Here, you'll need to enter your Wati API key and access token, which you can find within your Wati account. Under API Docs, log into your Wati account and navigate to API Docs to retrieve your unique API key and access token. Make sure that you copy both of these correctly. Paste the API key and access token into the corresponding fields on the WordPress Wati plugin settings page. Once you've done that, click the Save Changes button. And that's it. Your Wati account is now successfully integrated with your WordPress website. Visitors can now easily reach you via WhatsApp directly from your website. Start engaging with your audience and building stronger relationships. See you in the next one.